Manual album creation part 1. Talking about the manual album, we'll see how to create album size first. Here in Create Album window, fill in the page details. You can define and design album cover too. For that, fill in the details, that is width, height and also spine and the margins. From the split option, define whether your album cover would split or not. You can insert logo on cover page. Reset will remove the same. You can see the preview of your created page and cover here. Not just cover, but you can design a jacket too. Fill in all the details just like I did for the cover. Now, by choosing manual mode, you will be diverted to design window. Your blank album with blank pages can be seen here. First, I will design cover of the album cause I want the same design of cover page on the jacket. So here I am navigating to cover page. Before I start with actual designing, I am setting up the interface layout of my convenient way. Either I can use available layout options from preferences or set it manually by just dragging and dropping the panels. Using layout from preferences will make you restart the software to implement the changes. With the view button, I can view or hide the tabs that I do not want to use. In full screen view, I can also view tabs with the help of this button. Going to the full screen mode, from here I can show or hide the tabs like this. Now let's start with the actual designing. Starting with the photo insertion, from photo tab you can browse photo folder path from here. Zoom in scroller will help you to get a larger view of the photos. Photo sorting can be done by date, modified time, name, size, type, orientation, used status in ascending and descending order-wise. Simply double-clicking on photo will add it on a page. Scale and move the photo at the desired place. Take help of alignment tools. Say here, I will select right option from page-based alignment tool. You can also align with respect to the safe area by checking this checkbox. On-the-spot color correction can be done here. Select the photo and go to the color correction tab. Here, you can see options to manage brightness, contrast and gamma values of that particular photo. As well as the RGB values can be easily managed by adjusting the sliders. Shape can be added and customized according to the design. To add a shape, go to the Shape tab. Here, you will get simple and design shapes. Just double click to add it. You can resize and place it on page. The shape customization controls are available here. You can fill it with color or select any texture to fill. Dgflick has provided multiple textures to choose from. Manage the textures from here. Adjust the opacity of the colored shape from here. Adjust the width and color and opacity of the outline of that particular shape can be managed from here. Insert more photos from Photo tab. Resize the photos and align it on the page with reference to the design. You may apply desired effects like outline shadows from the Effects tab. Text tab lets you add text on the page. Now manage the font type, size and its style from here. Choose the color for the text from Color Palette. You can add multiple text on the page and align it by moving it. From the Rotate Objects tab, you can rotate the text to the 90 as well as 270 degrees and in X, Y and Z axis. Another shape is inserted here and customized with the custom option. To align this shape at the left side of the right page, select the right page from here and with the help of Page-Based Alignment tab, align the shape. Here, the center left option is used to align the object at the exact center left of the page. One more shape is added and customized. Now, to place this shape on the top of the previous shape, grid is added and accordingly the shape is snapped and placed. Object-Based Alignment tab can also be used to place this shape at the horizontal center of previous shape. You can place another copy of this shape by copying the shape with Ctrl C and pasting it with Ctrl V. Flip this shape vertically from Flip Vertical icon available in Rotate Objects tab. You can save this combination as a PNG file and use it later in other projects too. To save it, select the objects you want to save. Here, the shapes have been selected. Now right click on your selection. You will find Save As option. This option is available only for pro users. Define the saving path and give it a name and save. Browse from the Clipart tab and give the path where you have saved that PNG file. You can insert it on page and use as a clip art. You can insert title from the title tab and place it anywhere on the page. The size of the title can be managed by simply dragging it freely on the page. If you wish to change the font type and size of the title, you can change it from here. The style of the title can be managed from various styles options located here. You can align your title to the left, center or right. The color of the title can be managed either by using color picker or color palette. Apart from solid colors, you may add any texture to fill the title. Dgflick has provided 50 ready textures which can be accessed from Browse option. The textures will be opened for selection. You may either select any of the ready texture or browse and get in your own. Select and open the texture. You will see the title is filled with that particular selected image. The fill of the image can be set in tile or stretch format. The opacity of the title can be managed with the sliders. The title can be highlighted by giving outline. Customize option for outline is available here. You may reset the effects with reset button easily. Same way you can give shadow effect to the title. The axis of the shadow can be managed in X and Y axis with the help of sliders. The values can also be inserted manually. Blur and opacity level of the shadow can be manipulated from here. Color of the shadow can be defined from color palette or color picker. The title tab also provides you some ready presets which can be applied on single click. The title which is on the page can be saved as a preset with save option. This feature is available only for pro users. Any unwanted preset can be deleted with the help of delete button. You can add multiple titles and group it simply by selecting the titles and using group option. We are placing this group of titles in the center of the shape by selecting the shape first and then the group of the titles. Now we are aligning it with reference to the other objects. So we are selecting center option under object based alignment tab. Go to the background tab to insert the background. You can insert the background on left or right page or on both the pages at a time. Select the preferences, that is left, right or right from here. Here left right option is selected. Dgflick has given several innovative collection of backgrounds which are categorized into different categories according to their styles. You can view them by choosing the categories. You can browse and use your own backgrounds too. Either add any of the available background by double clicking on it or can pick the color from the color palette. If you have inserted any of the selected background, you will find 18 ready to use tones of that particular background in ready tones option. The background can be expanded by unchecking the fit to size checkbox. If you want to remove the added background, then first select the page and remove it from remove option. This way we have designed the cover page of the album. Now here, as the jacket is to be designed just like the cover page, first of all I will select every object on cover page by pressing Ctrl A and copy it by pressing Ctrl C. Now by navigating to the jacket of the album, jacket is open and all the objects are pasted over here with Ctrl V. Adjust the objects with reference to the safe area and background from background tab. Here my cover page and jacket are designed. You may design the jacket as well as the cover in the way you want. Now navigate to the first page of the album. Insert a photo from the photo tab and align it to the desired place after resizing and zooming it. Photos can be made more attractive by adding different effects on it. Go to the Effects tab. You get several effects like colorize, blur, opacity, feather, shadow, glow, outline, rotation, presets and blend. Under blend option we have normal, multiply, overlay, color dodge, soft light, etc. Select the photo. Now from the colorize option, apply a colorize effect to the photo. You can customize effect from the custom option. You may reset the effects to remove it. You can make a grid of the photos easily without any manual aligning efforts. Here I am adding multiple photos. To insert these multiple photos, hold the control button of the keyboard and select the photos you want to insert. Now use this add photo option to add all the selected photos at a time on the page. To form a grid of these photos, I am selecting all the added photos. Now here define the rows and columns for the grid. You may also manage horizontal and vertical spacing between columns and rows. After defining the grid parameters, create the grid with the help of create option. The grid will get created. You may resize and move the grid on the pages to give the desired look. Pan the photos like this and then make the important part of the photo visible. If you want, you can merge two fields and place one photo in a grid. First, select the photo and click on the merge option. The field will be merged and a single photo will be placed. You can break the grid with the help of break option to delete empty fields if any. You may apply any desired effect like outline or shadow to the grid to make it attractive. Or you can add any shape at the background of this grid to highlight it. Go to the Shape tab and add a shape. Customize the shape according to the design and place it on the grid. Backside of the grid, select the shape and from the Arrange Objects tab, select Send to Back option. The shape will send to the back of the grid. Align the grid at the center of the shape from the Object Base Alignment tab with the help of Center option. To decorate the page more, you may add clip art from the Clip Arts tab. Go to the Clip Art tab to use innovative clip arts. There are many beautiful and suitable clip arts provided by Dgflick. The clip arts are categorized into categories. Select the category of your choice. You can browse and use your own clip arts too. Double-click on the clip art or drag and drop the clip art you wish to apply. Place and resize it as per your need. The Ready Tone button here will generate 18 ready-to-use tones for that selected clip art. You can apply various effects on clip art from Effects tab. Here, Colorize effect is given to the clip art and color is selected with the color picker tool. You may align the clip art with the help of grid. You may add any ready-made or imported backgrounds or can use any solid color for background of the page. Your page gets designed like this.